So as usual, we'll go to the part design. So let me go to the pad command again. There's one small option. It will be create one pad-like structure. Select a sketching plane. Draw one rectangle of any dimension. Exit from notepad. So let me choose grid extent on either side. Thick. Let me give the thickness as some 3 millimeter or whatever it is. Let me use a neutral fiber. Thick. Okay. Now I'm going to use this option merge in. Okay. After creating this, just say OK. Again, you go to the pad command, sketch, select this plane. Now here I'm going to draw an open object touching this edge and this edge. To copy that edge, choose this project 3D elements. So this edge will be copied. Again go to project 3 elements. So selected edge, straight edge will be projected to the selected sketching plane as a straight line, you can see. Okay. Restore the previous view, go to the normal view. Now draw a single line, the open segment. Okay. I have drawn a line. Okay. So you can delete the copied one. Okay, so after drawing this, just say okay, let's exit from workbench. Okay, so you can give some thickness for this. So already 3 is given. So keep thick option. Thick option. You can see here. You can see here. Keep in neutral fiber. You can see here the opening. I can already see here opening. Keep in margins. Keep in margins. See, it will be merged. The gap will be filled. The gap will be filled like this. Okay, so this is the option of merge ends. Now let me go to the next command. Same in pad. Same in toolbar. Sketch based feature toolbar. Shaft. In other softwares, it is called as a revolve command. Revolve command. If you find any cylindrical objects, symmetric cylindrical objects, just use this shaft tool and create one-off sketch. The entire sketch can be 3D model can be obtained by revolving the feature. By revolving the feature about 360 degree. About 360 degree. Okay. Now, for example, I want to create a sphere, for example. Sphere. Okay. So to create a sphere, you need to construct a closed semicircle. Right? I have drawn one arc. Just close it. Okay. So I'm going to make this semicircle closed one revolve about the v-axis, vertical axis. Vertical axis is the revolution. So after creating the sketch, exit workbench. Now we have to choose the axis. Let me choose this as the axis. So you can see I'll go to right. Or if you take, you would have heard about this screw jack. You would have seen in mechanical books, machine drawing books. I'll create one of the components by giving the rough dimensions. Rough sketch. Rough sketch. Rough sketch. Okay, so let me draw one cross section, one off. Just approximate I'm drawing it. approximate sketch. So go to trim tool, and tool like this. Just trim the other. Okay, so just I'm going to revolve this feature with respect to this particular one. Okay, so after completing this, say OK, axis the vertical axis. Again, go to the shaft command. And so create some other profile. Create some other shape. Without giving any dimensions, I'm just creating. If you want, you can give the dimensions. So this is also one of the components. Right? So I'm not giving any dimensions. The component resembles similar to this. The length will be different and diameter will be different. This is the axis. So you can go for, full 360 degree, or you can reduce it. You can reduce that. I want 180 degree. Okay. I want 360 degree. I can go for pocket. Let me draw a circle, a construction line, or PCD, pitch circle diameter like that. I'm going to create holes, for example. So I'll draw one circle here, one more circle for different diameters. You see, I'm not considering any dimensions. Okay, just giving the rough sketch. Okay. I'm going to have a copy. I want some four. Already I have one with me. Angle is 90 degree, you can see. And rotate. I want some 6 total, so keep it 5. Right, 60 degree. Okay. You can see rotate and see. Right. Is equal branch. is the depth. This is sphere we have drawn initially. I'm going to use the groove command. Like pad is the extrude command, adding materials. Like to remove the material, pocket. Okay, in the revolution we are having the revolve command shaft. Okay, this is the groove, material removal operation. Okay. Now here let me make a cut. Okay, cut. This is the groove command. Specifically, let me draw some sketch. Okay, about this axis, I'm going to revolve this. Like remove the material. In whatever directions you can draw it. Or the shaft. And some other shapes. Some other shapes. For example, here and here. Any shape. Any shape you can make. It doesn't mean that it should be always parallel to vertical. It can be in any orientation to a sketch. Axis about this. And you see the whole the lines. So whatever be the profile, you can draw the profile, you can make it cut. You can make it cut. Create one pad. I created one pad. Let me go to the groove. I'm choosing this plane, ZX plane. Okay. Let me draw one arc. Okay. Exit workbench. Now this is my axis. Okay. I made a cut. There is another thing. Here you can see drafted features. Okay, let me go to the shell too. Right, shell, material removal again. Shell. Okay. Now I'm going to make this, I'm going to remove all the materials, assigning some thickness to all the sides. Okay. And I can remove the selected faces also. So let all the sides have 2 mm thickness. Faces to remove. Okay, now select bottom face to remove. To select additional faces, hold on control and select additional faces. So the selected faces will be removed. Right. After selecting the faces, you OK. Right. We can use combination of any command. This is editing commands. The existing solid, remove some materials, like some thickness. So whatever operations we do here, you can see a left hand side as well as a model tree. This is the first one pad we have made. This is the group command. This is the shell. Double click here, you get this dialog box. I can edit it. Here I can edit. I can go to this. Which phase you don't want, select it. Go. Close. Okay. Okay. Now in this group, I want to redefine this group sketch. Double click. I want to change the sketch. For example, I did some change. It is showing in red color. Then I need to check the shell thickness also, because I gave some fillet right. Because of that, also it will have created some problem. Because for this arc, I have given some fillet radius. I didn't give any fillet radius. There's assumed some fillet radius here. So because of this fillet radius and the shell thickness, that could have been matched, not matched. So I have changed the shell thickness. Okay, I have reduced it 1. So now we put up. After changing it, you can give this update. There is one icon here, update, or you can use the shortcut key Control U. Control U. Okay, after the U, Control U. It will update. So this is all about today's class. Okay, practice. Okay, so this is the chart command, group command, shell command. We practice all these things. So remaining